Alright, come over here for a second. So doing the Humboldt cut, I'm not as experienced like that. Doing your, in theory, it's the same idea as cutting your wedge out of the top instead of the bottom. But I'm not as good as getting that lined up, so I was coming way under here. So I adjusted and to get a line up, because I didn't want to bring my face cut all the way over here, because I want it to fall in this direction. If I brought it over here, it'd be falling too much the other direction and get hung up in a tree. So we don't. All right, so the idea is I'm going to leave more less holding wood on this side, more on the other side. Hopefully get it to swing where I want. Hopefully get it to a swing where I want to. So see, there's this tree here to the left of the tree I'm cutting. I'm hoping to get it to clear that. Go back here to the stump. So I had a pretty heavy lean on it, so it started going. You can see I had very little holding wood on this side, which is exactly what I wanted, and more on this side. It ripped out quite a bit though, which is not 100% desirable. I'm using it for a saw log and lose some wood there, but I wanted it to swing clear of the tree and not get hung up. I'm like cutting trees down, make an exciting day. Alright, so those trees are dying in the tops, and you come over here to this stump, you can see it's starting to get pithy in here. That was starting to rot. There was dead limbs and some limbs that already broken on. So this is where I'm going to put my sawmill back. See, I'm done work with the dozer, flattening it out here. And so right here is where I'm going to put the sawmill. So since these trees were dying, I wanted to get them while they were still had usable wood to mill in them before they rotted and they're nothing good for but firewood. So I'll go ahead and cut them down, and then the smaller stuff we'll use for firewood for heating the house and the shop, and the other stuff we'll use for boards for building stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.